Hi, I'm Carol and I'm a retired grandmother from Canada. You're not going to believe how simple this is. The easiest side hustle for beginners. And all you need is a laptop and Wi-Fi. And if you don't have a laptop, you can just use your phone or a tablet. When I tell people that, they usually laugh and say, "Oh, come on, it can't be that easy." But here's the thing, it really is, especially when the system is built for you. I'll show you exactly how I did it, even though I'm 68 and not particularly tech savvy, and definitely not one of those social media influencers. So if you've ever thought, I'd love to earn some extra income, but I don't have the time, energy, or know-how right now, this video is for you, because I'm going to show you how simple it is to start earning online, even if you've never done anything like this before. Now, before we dive in, I want to know, if you could work from anywhere, your kitchen table, a sunroom, even a little cabin by the lake, where would you set up shop? Tell me in the comments. I love to hear where people dream of working from when they finally find a little bit of freedom. And please grab a copy of my Freedom Formula Blueprint that's linked below. Let's start with this. You don't need a storefront, a warehouse, or even an office. You just need a laptop, phone, or tablet and Wi-Fi. Digital businesses have completely changed what's possible for everyday people like us. It's not about selling products out of your garage or doing things that take hours every day. It's about plugging into an already built system that works 24/7. When I first heard about this, I thought it had to be complicated. Building websites, managing ads, trying to figure out how to find customers. But that's what amazed me. The system I use actually has all that done for me. It's like walking into a store where the shelves are already stocked, the checkout counter is ready, and the lights are on. All I had to do was open the door and welcome people in. You're not dealing with inventory or shipping or handling payments. The entire thing operates digitally, and that means no clutter, no stress, and no huge startup cost. So if you've been waiting until you have more time or learn more tech, stop waiting. You don't need to have it all figured out before you begin. You just need a laptop, tablet, or phone, Wi-Fi, and a willingness to take the first step. Now you might be wondering, why is everybody talking about online businesses and digital products all of a sudden? Well, the truth is, the entire world has gone digital. Think about it. We stream our shows, order groceries online, and often even see doctors through video calls. So it only makes sense that education, business, and income opportunities are now digital too. Before, people used to think that you had to open a physical business to be able to make money. But now everything is shifting to online platforms. And that shift has created opportunities for regular people, especially retirees, to get involved. See, there are digital products like training programs, courses, and personal development tools that help people learn valuable life or business skills. The amazing part, you don't have to create those products. You can partner with companies that have already made those products and simply share them. When people purchase through your link, you earn a commission. You're essentially connecting people with solutions that already exist, and the system handles the rest. You don't need to know how to design a website, write code, or handle customer service. It's all automated for you. And that's why this is the perfect time to get started. The digital world isn't slowing down. It's expanding faster than ever. And the sooner you step into it, the sooner you'll find out how much potential there really is. Grab a free copy of my Freedom Formula Blueprint that's linked underneath this video. It explains everything in more detail. Now, this is where most people's eyes light up, because this is the part that makes it truly possible for beginners. The system I use is a done-for-you system. That means everything is pre-built, The website, the product pages, the email sequence, the customer follow-up. When someone visits your website, it automatically collects their email address. It follows up with helpful messages and introduces them to the products, all without you lifting a finger. You're not chasing people or sending out messages every day. No bothering friends or family to make sales. It's automated, which means you can have a business running in the background while you're spending time traveling, spend time with your grandkids, relax, whatever you want to do. The products are already created too. You don't have to design, ship, or store anything. They're digital. People get instant access when they buy. You're simply sharing something valuable that's already been built by professionals. So if you've ever said, I don't know where to start, this is the answer. The system does the heavy lifting, and you get to focus on the fun part, connecting with people and watching your digital business grow. Another question I hear all the time is, what if I'm not techie enough? I used to say the same thing, but you don't need a bunch of gadgets or software. When I started, I had my tablet, my phone, and a good cup of coffee. That's it. No fancy equipment, no special camera, not even a fancy workspace. I work wherever I am, since all the equipment that I need is portable. I can take it with me anywhere I go. And like right now, I am not home and I'm still doing videos. I'm able to do all that stuff. You can learn everything step by step. The training inside this system walks you through exactly what to do, how to personalize your website, how to share your links, and how to start connecting with people who are already looking for opportunities like this. And the best part, you're not alone. There's a whole community of people, many of them over 50, so like us, learning, sharing, and growing together. There's nothing more encouraging than seeing other people succeed using this system. So please don't let the fear of technology stop you. If you can use email, browse through Facebook, or watch a YouTube video, you can do this. You'll learn everything you need to know along the way, and you'll have support every step of the journey. Now, let's talk about something too many people overlook. Your age isn't a disadvantage. It's your superpower. See, at this stage of life, you've lived through enough experiences to understand people, what they care about, what motivates them, and what real trust looks like. And that's something that money can't buy. In today's online world, people crave authenticity. They don't want to be sold to. They want to connect with someone who feels real. That's where you come in. You're not pretending to be some 20-something influencer. You're sharing your story, your perspective, and your journey. That's what builds trust. And trust is what drives success online. We also have patience and consistency, two things that make a huge difference in a business like this. We don't quit after one bad day or a slow week. We've learned that steady effort always pays off. And that's exactly the mindset that makes digital businesses work. So if you've been doubting whether you're too old, too late, or too out of touch, let me remind you, you're right on time. You have everything you need to succeed because people are looking for honesty, reliability, and experience. And you've got all three. So if you've been wondering how to earn extra income online, this is the simplest way I've found to do it. No products to make, no website to build, and no experience needed. Just your laptop, phone, or a tablet, Wi-Fi connection, and a willingness to learn something new. And the best part, you can start today. If you'd like to see how I did it, step by step, grab a copy of my Freedom Formula Blueprint down below in the description. It's free and it'll walk you through how to get started with the same system I use. Because if I can do this at 68, you absolutely can too. This next chapter could be your most rewarding one yet. If you want to know more about this business, check out this next video.